Is now the time to buy shares of NIO? What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be talking about NIO's quarterly report, which they just released, and taking a look at how the share price has responded.
But first, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so that you get notifications about our future videos talking about the stock market and personal finances. And while you're down there, if you haven't already, be sure to check out the links in the description to get your free shares of stock from Webull whenever you open and fund your account, as well as $10 of free Bitcoin from Coinbase whenever you open your account and make your first $100 purchase of cryptocurrency.
So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage of choice, and let's jump into it.
NIO's press release just came out a few hours ago, outlining their fourth quarter and full year 2020 financial results. 2020 was a phenomenal year for NIO in its deliveries, increasing by over 100% year over year, with 2020 vehicle deliveries coming in at just under 44,000 compared to 20,000 in 2019. And in the fourth quarter, NIO saw its deliveries grow by over 100% when compared to the same quarter in 2019. In fact, NIO saw well over 2 to 3x growth in its deliveries quarter over quarter throughout all of 2020, with the exception of Q1 of 2020, which was negatively impacted by the pandemic, which was at its peaks in China during that time. Taking a closer look at the financials, we can see that in the fourth quarter, NIO posted total revenue of $1.017 billion, which represented an increase of 133% compared to the fourth quarter of 2019 and an increase of 46% compared to the third quarter of 2020. But these total revenues did not result in profitability, as NIO continued to post a net loss of $212 million in the fourth quarter. But NIO continues to move in the right direction to become profitable, posting a total net loss in 2020 of $812 million, a decrease of 53% compared to the prior year. But in my opinion, it's only a matter of time before NIO becomes profitable, as they continue to post impressive growth with their operations, with vehicle sales and total revenue representing an increase of over 100% year over year. And so far, 2021 is off to an amazing start, with NIO reporting that they were able to deliver 7,225 vehicles in January and an additional 5,578 vehicles in February, representing a strong 352% and 689% year-over-year growth, respectively. And like we talked about here on my channel previously, NIO has made sure that it has set itself up with a strong financial foundation to continue to fund its growth in the future, raising additional capital in December through a share offering, with total current assets sitting on their balance sheet in the sum of $7 million, of which $5.8 million is cash and cash equivalents. More than enough cash to fund their total current assets and to continue to fund their growth. So how has the share price responded to these earnings? So far in after-hours trading, it looks like NIO is currently down just under 4%. It'll be interesting to see how NIO trades tomorrow when the market opens, but honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if we see the share price continue to pull back. NIO's share price is still up significantly over the past year, around 1,600% or so. So after running up so much over the past year, I wouldn't be surprised to see NIO pull back after reporting these earnings, as I feel that analysts are likely pricing in perfection with the current valuation. But if that happens and NIO's share price pulls back, that's fine by me. I still love NIO for the long term. Unfortunately, whenever NIO pulled back last week at the end of February as part of the broader market sell-off, I wasn't able to pick up any shares of NIO because I was too busy focused on picking up some shares of other companies. So I'll be watching NIO's share price very closely for the rest of the week. If it continues to pull back off of news of its earnings, then I'll be definitely picking up some shares to add to my long-term position. What are your thoughts about NIO? Are you invested in NIO? Are you considering investing in NIO? What do you think about their quarterly report? Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. And while you're down there, if there are any other stocks or topics that you would like me to talk about in a future video, please feel free to comment that down below as well.
As a reminder, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a certified financial planner. I'm a resident physician with an interest in personal finances and investing. Please make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. And please be sure to smash that like button and click on the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.